Sam Walton's autobiography, Made in America. Sam Walton was the founder of one of the largest retailers in the world, Walmart, and at the time of his death, his net worth was estimated to be $8 billion. In his own words, the one element in his life that has made a difference above everything else is his passion to compete. He went on to say, "Money has never meant that much to me, not even in terms of keeping score." What motivated Sam Walton was to be on the top. He wanted to be the best. Not the biggest, but the best. Now let me share with you one of my favorite stories about Sam Walton. Back in 1980s, the 60-plus-year-old Walton was arrested when he was found crawling around another competitor's store in Brazil. When Walton's friends came to bail him out, he told them that he had been measuring aisle widths to determine exactly how the competitor displayed their wares in the store. Imagine that. Here's a guy who is a billionaire, one of the richest men in the world. He runs the biggest retailer in the world. He's 60 plus years old, and he's crawling under the shelves at a competitor's store just so he could understand how they operated. That goes to show how passionate he was for becoming the very best. He did not go to summon his employees to do the measurement. No, he just jumped in right then and there to get his hands dirty and do it all by himself. That was his passion.